Hello everybody, so today I'm filming my everyday makeup autumn routine, and I've said that in a really weird order. This is my first time doing a voiceover, so let's see how it goes. So first of all, I'm taking the Stila One Step Correcting Primer, and this is my favourite primer ever, like in every video, and I'm mixing this with the Bourjois Paris Sculpt Light Highlighting Fluid. I'm just putting this all over my face and blending it in. Okay, so now I'm taking the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation. This is a very good foundation. It's not too full coverage, but it gives that right amount for an everyday use. And I'm also using the Beauty Blender. I take about 2 to 3 pumps of that and put it on the back of my hand, and then I will blend that in. So in this next clip, I'm filling in my brows using the Revolution Brow Pomade. Now I'm going to be carving out my eyebrows with the Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer. This is in the lighter shade that they have, and all I will do is just put quite a few dots underneath both of my brows, and I'll do like less above my brows, and then I will just blend that in using the smaller point of the Beauty Blender. Okay, so next up I'm taking the Benefit Give Me Brow Gel in the shade 3. And I'm literally just going to go over the brow pomade, and this will just set my brows in place. Now I'm taking my concealer, which is the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. This is my favourite concealer at the moment. It's also new to my collection, and I've been really enjoyed it. So I'm just going to put it in triangles under my eyes. Now for baking, I'm going to be taking the Collection Sheer Loose Powder, and to apply this under my eyes, I'm going to be taking the Real Techniques Beauty Blender, and I'm just going to be lightly pressing that under my eyes to help bake my concealer and set it in place. Okay, to now set the rest of my face, I'm going to be taking the Rimmel Stay Matte Powder, and the brush I'm using is one of the Kiko oval face brushes, and I'm literally just going to be dabbing that in and then pressing it into my face. I'm brushing the baking powder off with a big fluffy brush. For contour, I'm taking the Revolution Conceal and Define Contour and Concealer. This is in the shade C14, which I feel like is a very good shade for contour. I'm just going to do little dots under my cheekbones and on my nose. I'm blending that in, also using another Kiko oval faced brush. Now taking the Revolution oval face brush, I'm going to be taking the Primark's own News Collection concealer. This is the really light one, and I'm just lining out my concealer because at the moment it looks really messy, but once I've done this, it neatens it up. The eyeshadow palette I'm using is the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette. Just so you know, I'm editing this at night and I can't really see the colour name, so I'm using a torch to see it. The first colour I'm taking is the colour Chaser, I believe, and I'm using this as a transition shade and to go in my crease. I am now taking the shade Sourced, and this is going to be going all over my lid and my lower crease to create a base for the rest of my eyeshadow. Oh, okay, I'm really annoyed at myself right now, but basically I didn't show you guys what colour I was using, but the colour that I'm guessing I'm using is the mixture of He Devil and Cayenne, I believe it's called. I'm not too sure how to pronounce it, but this is starting from halfway across my lid and going into my outer V. Right now I'm adding a mixture of En Fuego and Ashes into my very outer V. Now I'm taking the Max Fix Plus, and I'm actually adding a shimmer shade, which is a cross between Lumbra and Dirty Talk, and I'm just going to be putting this in the inner half of my eye using the Urban Decay brush. Now taking the Bad Girl bag, which I just realised is upside down. I'm using this for my mascara, and this is a mini version, I'm aware of that, but I do really like it. Okay, now we're done with eyes. I'm now taking bronzer, which is the Too Faced Milk Solly bronzer, and I'm just going to be doing this where you normally apply bronzer, and on my forehead as well. And for blush, I am taking the Too Faced Love Flush Long Lasting Blush in the colour Baby Love. Onto my favourite part, highlighter. I'm taking the MUA Luxe Strobe and Glow highlighting kit in the colour Pearl Gold. So I'm taking the kind of cream highlight and applying that onto my cheekbones using my finger. Now I'm taking the powder highlighter, and if you're wondering what brush I'm taking this on, it's the Real Techniques setting brush. So for lips, I'm taking the Too Faced Melted Matte Longwear Liquid Lipstick in the shade Child Star. I absolutely love this lipstick, it's so nice, not too drying, and a beautiful colour. Okay, so that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed my go-to autumn makeup look, is me doing all modelling for you. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment down below if you have any more video suggestions or just want to say something nice. Please subscribe to my channel. It's so close to 200 subscribers. Thanks for watching. Bye!